Okay, all right. So this is the plug for the XSE taillight. Now look at that direction first. Okay, we're gonna just use this as our mark. Okay. All right. Go ahead. Explain.
Alright, so this is the original taillights plug. The one on the left for the original taillight is DRL. The white wire is a DRL and the red wire is a turn signal. So the bottom left wire.
Okay, come near exactly like this. Okay, so like because yeah, there you go. Okay, so both of them are in
The
action.
top right is the brake light. The top left is the DRL. And the bottom left is the red, which is the turn signal, and the bottom right is the black, which is our negative. Now on the taillights that we sent you guys, so that was the original one.
So this is the original setup. Okay, once again, okay, this is, look at the diagram. Okay, so look at the diagram. Okay, so top left is for the DRL, top right is for the brake, bottom left is for the turn signal, and bottom right is for the black. This is how you need to set up your plug, okay? We're gonna tell you how to release these wires in just a second, but we just wanted to show it to you, okay? So this is the original diagram, and this is the aftermarket one, okay? Now we're gonna test it for you, and we're gonna tell you how these wires are flipped, okay? All right, so this is the light over here. Okay, so my guy is gonna connect the wire, the black one, to the negative wire, which is the on the back side. Show the wiring structure real quick. Okay, there you go. So black, red, yellow, and white. So we connected one wire to our black, which is the negative, and then we're gonna connect it to the. Which one is this one now? Which color?
This
okay.
is the top right.
Okay, so the top right. Okay, so the top right is supposed to be for the brake, but in our case, the DRLs are turning on. Okay, go ahead, try the other one. All right, so now the top. What was this one?
Top left.
So top left supposed to be for the DRL, but the brake is coming on. Okay. All right, go ahead, try the other one. Bottom left is the only one which is correct. Okay, now we're gonna, now show me this real quick. Now, okay, so now the top ones, okay, the two on top, these are, if you look on the back side, the wires are yellow and white. These needs to be flipped. Okay, so he's gonna remove the pins. Now it's very simple. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in real quick. Okay, it's very simple. You're gonna basically grab a thin flathead screwdriver, insert it in that place. Okay, there's like a plastic latch where you have to pull up or pull down on it. This will release the wire. There you go. Okay, and then same thing on the other one. Okay, pull up or pull down. It's depending on the direction. There you go. We just released it. Now we're gonna change the placement. Okay. All right, there you go. That's one. And then you put the yellow one to this side. There you go. The plug is fixed now. Now we're going to test it for you. Okay, now once again, though, this is the original setup, okay? Remember this one or take a screenshot. All right, so now we're going to do it again. So negative, top right. So top right is for the brake. Top right is the brown one. Though this is the original one. Top right is for the brake. Okay, good. Top left is for the DRL, right? Top left is for the DRL, right? This one. Okay. All right, there you go. And the other one is already good, the turn signal. Okay, so now when you form this plug, this is how it looks. Okay, this is the front one, front angle. Okay. Now we're gonna look at the back. Okay. So the back one, top left is white. Top left white means this is for the DRL. Okay, top right is for the top right is for the
brake.
Top right is for the brake. Top right is for the brake. Top left is for the DRL. So on this angle, top left is the DRL and top right is the brake. Yes? Okay, good. And the rest is good. The red is for the turn signal and black one is for the ground. So once again, look at this wire structure, wire diagram one more time. Okay. And this is the back area. This is the front area. Okay. When you once you flip these wires, make sure just shove it in. So make sure these are like properly inserted from the back. You just put it in. Yep. Yeah. Make sure they're properly inserted. Make sure they're make sure they make contact with the other side of the car. Okay. I hope this video will help.